too fast now. Me one can from back. Na nipa ina tugu me so ni esi mabo kun me a. Number 1 me wu a me kobro sam gem na me ko heaven. Me back to na me je fie no na me hweda ma me. Ti obotu sa anamon no di kan dwene oman no ene ho back to ano ho. Dwene ho back to ano abante dwene ho back to ano ho. Say wuni wa when they better take care of that child. Yeah, better take care of society no. Society book can decide to neglect him or her. What happened? You have disturbed the life of that little child. Did you know about how much money and quanquan there?
Me say our party in it.
And you meet me.
Said the hotel man or we are now tell you.
Meet me.
And then you say,
and we are now all to money so back him. Ubudu ala uyasemanu.
Aka TV, the internet the bell. Subscribe for more.
And I was so glad I won't 3 minutes. Let's catch them. General Bian and the Juma Damano, ya quite new in a higher dimension. Chino Penamini Pa, or no bit my born a corner, no on human on wow. Obey me soon as a massam so when now I come name spirit after say mention the name in Casa. Never wow. The body that my nipatina nipaho. I remember me about your motor friend. Who was the bishop your friend now? Why busy? 8 hours later, crowd of who over friend back and as a best sending voice. We are different. I'm saying now can many dress and not many day and free mo. Me cost struggles I could back on town. I said Binyas and Papa catch me young coupon. Tiana, as of for me to move for now, when you are so many trainer complaints no ya dosu.
Nti nature say yemfa da yansi namfa me next topic a me prepare yembra. He say ne kwakwan say yesun da ye na yempe ho solution because betumi edi enya.
Da ye bi wo no manya me na no kasa direct. Ne mo asem kropa o kana hwe na won tiase. Obo nko onye so for but o da ya ntiase sunsun. Na metimi bi so chiro. Aha, obe mistake. By mistake, but I be in chance any opposite. And I say, Adam Chair Crab, baby, ya, who the Radiaman Adum no Diamu, and chance him one dum, service program, Radia McQuay, Nayam wow, Sakwan so. And yes, I by mistake now, Bem, but I don't need Papa, Tina no time, so and I am not saying the engine. To whom out dear Chum Cosana, on the Obaya, on her now, why mistake I see. And I hope also that then also that out here, sir. Over there be some 23, we may not free direction. What was also Diana Okaya? Psalm 23. Over the Bia can 3 times. As an order. The Lord is my shepherd. Ya, Lydia Groya. The Bia can 3 times and I just an order. Dia Basubia clear. A free tip.
Free tips. Bishop Rock and then Casano. Bishop, you say, Ukaso 1 hour no. Yes, we are prepared. Say, segment to be at the baby. At least you do election year. After few months, I mean, I call election year. No, you better peaceful ways be at the few months. I'm a because Yamia so for more money here to your mind. So maybe see your mind more. Bishop only a sorry ma. It sounds a sorry man. I say your mind no ma. Today be an also a church be protected or mine na ye member na mo aso mo so akoka ho enti say election year ye be see me ha any eba be use mo aso for mo member ya politicians eba be use mo e de mo again o mo tumi e bi bebe we go be fa ko ahwe mo nka wom enti ye say at least be 50 minutes in church be be dey free ho say as preparation be na ye towards the coming election no as nyamemba ye san Ghana for ya sorry man no omo yan Ghana for craft first asana sorry man number o say o man na otimu no pre ne nkoso pre na sumdue e na wonso onya sumdue so the nation first so for be out your be mo aso man na wasem hia no nyame mfrɛ o tire na so for say e man na nkom na odi o matamo na e me ya pa because so for the dwe o man na wonti na all ka o man na sem so what am can I say cause o man see opinion so for no na so me na see opinion economy ni say ya when we better collection e to tight amawo
You go for different no more. Who will pay tithe to you?
Because you go bed that's off na nkasa so.
Who na be omo? Go for you top money free and channel bia. Ti dey also wo ye ne say wo ma man na otimu ni hia. Ye bompa ma ye mind bia. Afi we abato e betwe. The oba ni bia no it is there clearly. O macho my semni atutra sem abaya no enchange results no. Ti wangata dwene wo ni padua ne wabusua first. Ne o man no first then go di service hu bia wo abato yi mu. O ya bewu service kwase wo. E mo be nyusu ahia no dama ho. Bebre mokro ya yesumi. Let's say etu ya ba wie na o mo mfi mu na mo amasa ba ya wo se o mo mfi me. Unless the time was so you know musa pone 2,000 ni ma mo na ma adua sa so you know obisi kokumo obi kobu obi for ballot boxer dwene o ma oba small girl na 2 years na dwene ne ho first so ballot boxer ya me fa be ma chuma dia calculate my steps say me tam ya betu me ka ahuri atra moto so na me huri atra moto so na moto do too fast na me to an kan na kan fon gba na nipa ina tuguru me so na esi mabo kun me a number 1 me wu a me kobro sam jem na me ko heaven me back to na me na fie no na me hweda ma me ti obotu sa anamo hu no din kan dwene o man no ene ho back to ano ho dwene ho back to ano abante dwene ho back to ano ho so wuni wa when they better take care of that child you better take care of society no society book can decide to neglect him or her. What have Kranajini? You have disturbed the life of that little child. Tijino Bahona Jomano and could this have been saying, vigilante law, and a paper eke. Me two about my bafu. General life for him, not general mahu. Then my politician behind you sue. You suhunu. Or say, enquire demonstration. And what's not easy. Then what say we? Mon only money kind. On the Makodia. Also Kobe at the end of the day adwuma ya pray man ko for papa na aye me papa nya politician ma me politician me politician for so be na me free aban so an say be free etiquette abana me ba all Louis on to FEC and one na me nya free so I don't feel wha for so ben eti na me dey tell say ukopɛ adwuma obi papa obi ma me aye no ukowu ho. There be a answer. One think it twice. Look sharp. Street language. Also look sharp. Look sharp. Abantie. Look sharp. Okra. Sikala boko aje. Ubi ayira. Could deep freely and koye to just be a. Koye no day no. Ubi a. Okay. Oh. Uncle Fra. Oh. Uncle Fra. Oh. Guy be called demonstration. Man president that John. Apenso. Emma. Edi bibi won ani o se bibi sama na ni ba ko say you see was say wu wu last year kwa no wu ye so question to your shop say no MVP ni o come let my vote count alliance to your so let my vote count alliance and I say MPP edi ne man to pay rules to chamuka
ono angasa kwa branje be ka say wa bra papa wa bra bomu. These are some of the signs for you. The money na bozo kobia, the cost no umpe. Na bozo kobia ko the money bi. Ko searchiri. Ko ji ho ani mu ko ho agema. So ye ho me ho de bia ya kunjao. Because ye university na demo bi. Aso we refida. UCC. Na ba di demo ani na police for the banyan no share mo. Na yeso ye withdraw akra. Hey, opening. Yakubu ma abuse fire den. Ti say na officer bi ankofo say German dey si body we. To ye bo mu a na okaza still omo ben no. Ti ni tie no twa no. Na dey oben the power be 50 meters away. Yeso no say kua. Ya ka ina ya de ba. Run for your life. Me no ye den. Ewia say e do some money at sekura na yiwa Johnson ne sabe ya ne awohua no nkwan hwenim na beko mom yeso so ye ho ne anwene ye ho ye gire ho nya dwuma ya dwuma den ye kopa ma onyansa fa ya dwuma internet kru ye ko yi phones ntade first grade na to so
na twitwa pictures fa wo sign phone twitwa pictures fa to Facebook phone that I na uto no 5 cities no Facebook we beto 50 Ghana amount onye paso pi fa unyansa didi na jai semu no to asem fa hwemre nipa hweye
na papa ruo ben na omamba no o say play e wa battle cause e den a e kan ya asade ho nti utu e fo say me yemfe ho nkode utu semu no ruo ben yem play wo
only role bia play election day for voting card koto aba otu wi akofie before election na mama ni mo bo bra role ben also play bi o party here rally na be ko bia me problem bia o so bia o party bi o dwen ni ti o party rally na be ko bia ko rally na enkoye atutrasem o ko support o party ko support o president candidate ebi mo we say party because ababa so member bia di wa because
UPP
well when na UPP because UPP we dey want UPP
kojo koso UPP
onu cameraman me dey mini party bia ba me to aba okay party dey mini bi ba le to aba about to is to be I dey man kwankwan dia
bi say ya party we ne
and they meet me chire
say ya o to aba man no o we ya na o ta lose
meet me chire
Bishop
they be ala all to money so bag him obedu ala uya semanum
I say wait say I say my wife ba be wa only kokubo for the be chairman 2 million mo nche
o de invite ba na me kasa
ti o be chairman o bo for support I say o be support
say o de invite ba we dey mo na to true we dey super cool super cool to say manum
I say wo baba yemu we dwumade mu yemre na aso yemu dwumade cause asema kan na obi hia mmoa nipa bi aye desperate na no me ni ma bi kasa wa brochim we ho pa o si papa nkofo agim sikedi me nya the right person no spiritual problem am kan che no ye ni personality bi we nya spiritual problem. But who is the right person na me ko kama asem che no mboa me
me o say ade am ntanye se meka asofo from wansem anu ke se misro bia o me misro de pa bia wasase wesu ko after all then ewu se ba kope ne ko ade ne fear pa de bi ni mu respect and woman nipa mutual respect ti ade asofo bia ye no ntanye ma asem kesisa na de ya meka che nipa so ne se se periasa obanegu osreso a enkeze ko twatwene asofo ya na bade benam yeso abo nipa tia mmenya abotrema asofo na ebia na obi kura nya bo apayo ne bia 132 yie ni sika sem ne sa na amanyama mameka asem bako ya nipa na omo consult ye no entwe masofo mbusa us cancer ya yemfa ni die manyame na asofo Bible Paul say it is maso honam maso sunsuma diego okra na onipadua na ababo mu a ti won se wo be so honam ade ama mesoma ababo ana boni bia nim se wo scan de bafo de ama osofo ti na mom ntwa osofo no charge wansa asore mo ya ba na nse na timode no sunsum no ya doso to o fresh osofo se onya omo wo na ne man kuye ma ababo so from papers abochiri emfire so from all the same ma me wo tete me no ka so from kasa wi na so from pacho odin be na odi ye Western Union ya maso seed na mobile money se kwa yo wave na dey na abochiri ya ka maso seed ka kra dia ma entwe maso from musa gus cancer me say me kan chobi so man mo anga na seed da me ka cho say they were the crack kuma say for so seed no for so because the principle of sowing and receiving no e kanya me somo ho me munya atwemu ni se e kwa se so seed dabi no a principle we cannot be overrun e was so seed e be yakopon boa en twe mo so fo charge wansa e bi a me charge obia no se nyame star aboche fo mo fa nyame star no na ka to se free upem ye den bo afode na yanka gidie mo mu no hwe de yakopon be ya ma nyama ayi ya ma wo ti no e ma so fo no ko charge ansa na wasa wi asa ba atwa ma da pa ti wo free obi se onya de ma we ti wo free mu ba for de na yede
And papa na dem say musan say any which
o fie kura wo te o for watch man say o twa ne ka o obi so ohwe osunsun ne o class so papa person fi ne ko yes spiritual father magia tum e spiritual father ti o papa ni di boso mi ensan a o ti agbo chire ana o te Ghana nti
me person kai ene sananka edifo ne asofo no yemfa nse sa ye man na nwa amanane ne bebia se sofo bi na o discover ko bua na ade a yiwe ni free so eyeye ma wana wafa but we dey sofo na ka kire wo se fa se bana nya ade na nya yie o difference o mo
Bento so bi boss sika dey say me hia 2000 Ghana cedis ana oya ade ma me a ana e contractual free mu na so seed na enje me Nyankopon ni ti de me ya fa hu bia ma wonya adanse bia me ya ma wonya adanse no no ebo na Nyankopon the time na ya adwuma ebo na as early and quickly as you expect so that it will come even quicker than you were expecting ni na we ready ensem no pastor is a magician almost pleading with the Nyankopon ni na tumi ode ma no no wa adwuma de aboa ye nya botre kakra na entwenso masofo no charge wansa ma mi frame o se papa afa gana asofo no afi ni so fi o mo di euro dollar o fo na o se o boka $500 ko on kan se disikura na ka era se na wan kasa o free upe mo ba for there o free upe mo ba for there mo tri mo din na mama asofo so ya de aye no me bi na me nya bi me ta so ko na me nya bi a wo yesa aso no matimo yedin o kwa so ya so seed utua tight na ti o first of all nya de ma na gba for de ma na yedin so adwuma so funu so ya no o de bo na so ya wo ye be bo so e ma duane nti Nyankopon fie open go for mo efidi ni bakase pa ya so for e mo bo no ma ye fa ma bontin meka but every day we are people we feed so na skali ni how can you give what you don't have e be feeling na ba this are sorry for ya neighbor every boy for this tight so seed and ade na say pray as o wen katie na say bakobe fremu a o be put the wonum no atoagu e ampa ba say katie na aka no o ma nse kwa bako so awe eti remu no e na aka ye no bompa ye na Nyankopon mi a o hemi bo me hompa ye say Erade Bishop Rock ofiri wampa show me a sign as I got about frame because I'm not in a hurry to please anybody. If God asks you to contact me, contact me. Nyankopon say me contact me, it's up to you to decide. The wakumo so kwa say jano ni TB or this wa. I don't have any problem with that. So all of them to say no. But you need dey when you mean call for. Me say we dey need dey man we dey offer me name officer. Apampa bia me ba ma wonya danse bia me ba wonya danse.
Say odi for the me a o shen kompa.
Yes. De me bia wonya danse bia me wonya danse. Me o hu se o yesu tie obu ade ono obu nyame asem ne na difo a. Ende esofo preach na atoma koma sopa. Me go am say Bible time na Peter mu yedwuma no. Sa ye o ma bia o mo boaye. Ene ese akobisu de climate on so boaye ma mo Peter kasi atwe mu din wo nkwan wo mamu. Ente na mamu se sa wo boaye na adwuma kora na wo din ba Bible mu. Yesu big man na mu no. Na e mad na chi a wo sika boa no. Yesu nya extra money ema ebi kae omo nya bi di me bi ka omo de ma Judas the treasurer at the tour. Na skane bi anka no sikane bi anka sorry sikane bi anka betimi enya bi dato. Paul no was sponsors.
Yesu time kra no bi ma na boa ni ministry.
Ni wo mu kra no somebody came and volunteered, went to the authorities and demanded for the body of Jesus Christ to go and bury. Rich man now Yesu suani from a distance. There's nothing wrong with Radiatum seminar di wonya medjuma. It was kafo Ghana say ya sorry come here and Kobe. But bosom so we huge sums and support to men of God. Our mo akoma pese omo de support to omo. We mo ma komo jale dada. Seke mo komo jale kura che. Ti mo manye bi sua adepa. En twa ma sofo no ekomo ni omo too much ma afi omo ya kromfo sabi in court. Obi ya wawasa be condemn no. Wan kasa free mu Yes. Yes. And train my common list of now bumpire man. Very ungrateful. What cool why are dear man no? Now on also seek a crack man no osade onam. Ego any mass. I'm for shame, bro.
And you gain blessing.
Papa won't gain blessing. Curse actually.
Wow.
You don't speak against any man of God and go scot free. Me say me remember Nepal, but me Bishop Rock. Who say them kwadi matema? No angels be mtema won share. Mo timi din won no mo baby they will respond. So papa na okan they will bless you. Okan me wan say money a. Mo say from that time no man started 717. Di nkopon de on fa ne nkopon ni agro. Dia yes efe oboma na me nkopon. Hiapa
Ebusan for mini Bishop Rock that Rock Nation World International sorry Kwame Ntwebe din mu murum Kumase ha na retwen common ne boss na wo dis no namjiri say 1 hour na odima na aka 5 minutes nti papa say edwumade ebe na gu akwan mu na how ban na ye wa ye mbesu nche na Onyankopon na fa boae
ewade adom problem bia atra honam ability what the padua na ye bia asi. The rest is for us to do. What I say today, I say Peter didn't know any padua na ho din e cup no so amfa no. Yesu mana kwanche na oye na 5 man no. Ti mu bo na ma sa ho din 2 mi no. To wo hwe me na say everybody count say enemy nkasa. Numbers are beto dware. Both my friend. How be will be bia no aso Nyankopon ye. Say ya de, say ya ware mu nsem, ye nkata sem, say ya adwuma sem te Ghana out abuchi. Bia wo bia we are here for you. Numbers 0244 23 46 77. Mrs. Ubio 0244 23 46 77. Second number is 054 11 55 315 054 11 55 315. Bishop Rock call me about free baba mi ame ho. Yana mo other numbers be brewo search numbers. Yana me person ka say na me frɛ akura na oni man ka say ye timi amefa. O frɛ na ma amfa e bia ma e busy. Bia me wo me all ten me bɔ mpaye na me ye counselor na me ya sorry. Me hu call na kire ya obetimi nka. Say flash to say call o say message o. Obehu say ma tise and me hu say o frɛ me I am responding to your call. Me woni what aje pa.
Ya bel daddy ni pa. Of course, bad times are
I have time for people. I mean, I'm bad time. You know, and I just met you be awesome. Offer them my first audio. Now, me number be answer here WhatsApp. You know, I call WhatsApp. Now sending me audio and emo or IMO. American pronounce it IMO. Now, I sending me WhatsApp and I say IMO message audio. Meti na me no akasa actually. You can communicate on through audio. I'm at pen across to come ask me we are metie we are na me so mama response na fe ya to aso na hwede me Nyankopon ebeye e dey man o da follow me on Instagram the Bishop Rock e bomba ko the Bishop Rock e bomba ko ani ye Rock Nation TV umia o subscribe wa na umia adoma ne so say na o sa kan entem Facebook account me nsa no Bishop Rock 1 Bishop Rock nkwa na mo Bishop Rock 1 Bishop Rock 2 na Bishop Rock 3 F4 kra we ya ma na ma bi e fro sa Bishop Rock 3 or Bishop Rock 1 or na Bishop Rock ankasa original one no the Bishop Rock ankasa ko Facebook you can get me na ending komo o dey adumunti ka o dey man no personal Kumasi Monday to Wednesday Sunday to Wednesday mo Kumasi Sunday Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, ni na ya juma me Kumasi. Obedo someone about we are free baby Ghana na obe Kumasi no. Oba someone about. Odo someone about also ope. Ekwana ekokeje tia no. Oko Kwame Antwi. Opposite St. Louis College of Education. Brother me wa chire me enters no wa chire. O told on fe ya oba 2 years. No mo na me wono. Accra se ya me wo dome. Born again Junction. Friday and Saturday and probably more domi. Enche be fro ko be fro. Do time no so on betting oneself. But see there more domi born again Junction. And here Fridays and Saturday anopa. And so counseling any obe share one on one. Offer me phones now men Ghana so a menya mre eno akasa. na de wade da dum ye bia no so e de bi so aboa obrabo
Afamase da aba amaya ye ncheche de befa emma ne mante ho yawaresem eno de meso aba next time na ya ka ho asem pan yawaresem no ha adwen pan enti ye kono ja 2 minutes bi wo asem de ma akanti ba hwefo ana ne mfansi a
ben tru so wa Bishop Rock apart so yanko ba ma me tumi o sunsun no bisa we nim die o adom nti mo nim die on many areas. And you know, me a teacher, me a prophetic teacher, me a prophet, me a miracle worker, me be adumo, adum me kwa adum nti. You know, bibia I say a teaching nipa wono munya ho ntiase bia be teaching nipa ho. Now the best medium so ni say me kasa kan TV nipa 10,000 share. Me ti enya so enje nipa 10,000 at once. But I can't even teach nipa 10,000 me ti yankopon asem a I am affecting a lot of lives. And that will be a blessing to the kingdom of God and yourself and myself. You know, I can't tell you from Chamo. I was a fan base like a Sierra Wabuchi. Meaning, say, dear, I can't intro. Gonna go paper. Now, I'm going to say, I'm here on TV. I'm here YouTube, no TV. So, say, about TV. So, you go phones, no. Say, what the back TV, Nankasa. Aye. And you know, I can't TV. I have phone. I'm a minimum. I'm about to. I'm about me ma mo abochi mo ma be pray o abochi mo me WhatsApp app mo nipa more than 700 na o mo abochi ra o me communicate wa me to nkan che wa fe na wo hwe me o de show emrebe ma me nkasa de o se wade na me so bo bia o bo ko be flush un cry keke and kwa e so many no but what problem so don't hesitate to tell me whatever God has given me. I also use some to help you. Oh Ghana ha me share one-on-one. God bless you. I pray for you. Say you wade mo no hwe wo so. O hwe wo de mo maso, o hwe wo kra so. Na bone ni musuo biara anka. Hwe ho ye ankasa. Na bone fo no ato bema na mawiam ani anadwumu. Ba usoro ade na sum ne yiye nkwan de a bi men wo da. Baterade ho do awade. Asuro awade. Me ye pa bofo na ye careful in life. God will make sure that you succeed. God bless you. I love you.
God bless you. I love you. Bishop Yembo nsemu kase bebe obia emfama ya papa Bishop Rock. Omani nyina Bishop. Ende oni ya kasa yakwe kasa ya kasa fa yenu efia odo ho prophecy aba se yenu betumi ewu ya ebusuafo o hweme na wo ya ge ne busu ni unim wadamfo no wo ya ne fana mane ntune se asem bi se na finya mini pakasi bi ho a free work nation we international Bishop Rock ede aba ene ntu ho na mom opa meme se dia na nsa me fi papa na nkasa because ya say dia ochichira aboa no ono ana we de osane no nanka wa frere na de ubia no waboko so wo nya mienu na le ba kwan di agro papa ya mancheche bebre nti beda na se wo hia no wo habi wo amanie bi a one ne nhye medega me come as say a problem shared is half solved. Wo problem no anka wo de ho sa na akosho wa komfo no wu ni edede bia ni edidi fufu de na no papa bi de skeni bi de ko fufu hwe ne de na wo ja ho eno nti yen hye ye haw ni nyansafo ene nimdifo nyame nipa papa mo man mo de bia me ka say ade bia o fake bia no papa wo ho se woni man eno nti papa no bi ene yenya ye di ho adanse de mama no me de be sia no mo dwumadi na sunsun nhwemu ene ye ba work nation we international ene Bishop Rock be dwun komo minchia me kama no producer Kolonko so de dwumadi e ba edin Bench Robert o from that two amaje so minu anu mbaboa me ni mo modin but omo so Bishop Rock nkola na minchia mo se mboa mo de munyansa na ma adwene e te chema na ye kama ero bibia ase.
Akan TV, the internet, bro. Subscribe for more.